Strong winds could be dangerous as trees and power lines went down in many spots across the area. Ashley Grams has been tracking those all morning and afternoon, including at the library in Hillsboro.
Tree removal crews are hard at work this morning after a tree crashed down in the Chute Park Library parking lot. Take a look at where it uprooted, and then you can see the rest of the tree landing here on the entrance to the library. And across Chute Park, another tree hit the ground, this one near some playground equipment.
Yeah, these trees are real precious to the community, and we have a tree service that monitors them on a regular basis and trims them up when they need to be and removes the ones that are unsafe.
As the oldest park in Hillsboro, Chute Park is home to some aging trees, and an urban forestry team keeps an eye on them. Today, crews eventually decided to remove a third tree when they found the root system damaged. Aside from this cleanup, people across Portland spent the morning clearing the damage from last night's wind and rain. Trees and downed power lines nearly blocked Northwest Thompson Road, while this street in the St. John's area was marked with caution tape and a sign. A large branch brought down a power line. Altogether, Portland Parks and Rec say they've received about 75 reports of tree-related emergencies. As for the library back in Hillsboro, they plan to reopen later this afternoon. Ashley Grams, KGW News.
And we spotted some more trees down across the area. Take a look at this tree that fell on a car in the Overlook neighborhood in North Portland. Tree is so big it's blocking cars trying to get down North Maryland Avenue there. And in Southwest Portland, we spotted a downed tree near Southwest Capitol Highway and Terwilliger. Crews were able to clear most of the tree to keep the road open. And here are some other photos that you shared with us showing the impact of that windstorm across the region. What you're seeing now are some downed trees in the St. John's neighborhood. That was sent in by Cynthia. She said thankfully there was no injuries and they were just waiting for PG to arrive and assess the power lines. Next, Janet shared the photo taken around North Plains neighborhood on Northwest Dersham Road. She said some people there may have hard time getting in and out today. And then this photo out of Southwest Alden Street and 66th shared by Steve. He said the tree went down last night and blocked a road. It was still there this morning, but thank you to everyone sending us these photos to keep us updated on the weather impacts in different areas. Definitely stay safe out there.